Okay. Here we are once again, people. Welcome to Murphy's Catering Kitchen, where good food prepare and wish you were here to try some. Now, you know what we do on Sunday? Make supper, dinner, food. Yeah, get the grub going. So today we're gonna make some Sunday dinner. We're gonna have some jerk chicken wings. We're gonna have some shrimp. We're gonna have some steamed cabbage, some rice and peas, and see whatever fixings we'll put with that. All right? So stay tuned, hold tight. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, my good people, welcome back. Another Sunday, making my Sunday dinner. Fiance is at work. She work on Sundays, on weekends sometimes. So one is out, one is home. That's how it goes. So if one day home, one just do what's supposed to be done until the other one comes home. Come home, she have a nice hot meal. She do the same when I go to work, and if I'm coming home and she's home, she makes sure everything is okay. Yeah, so I'm doing my part. So I'm gonna get these things laid out and then we'll be back and talk, all right? Okay, my wonderful people, I'm back. And you are welcome back to Murphy's Catering Kitchen, where good food prepare. Wish you were here to try some. Alright, so I got my rice and peas going on there. Well, it's my gungo rice and peas, smelling all good. And looking all good, I have to turn the fan on. So that's going. Garlic, pepper, butter, thyme, scallion, black pepper, salt. Yeah. And now my oven is on at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put my chicken in. Let that do its thing, and now I'm gonna concentrate on chopping up some cabbage, season up that shrimp, and get it going. Back in a bit. That's ready for the peas, for the rice now. Just gonna add the rice. Okay, so everything looking good so far. Looking good so far, so let the rice do its thing, let the chicken do its thing. Now I'm going to work on the cabbage. ginger. Add a piece of ginger in it, you know. If you never tried it before, steamed cabbage and add a piece of ginger in it, or fried cabbage and add a piece of ginger in it. Trust me, the flavor you get from that, you'll be surprised. I'll be back when I'm finished with that. So here we go. Add a little salt. Some paprika. Not too much because you don't want it red. Some black pepper. Then I add a little oil. Just about 2 tablespoons. And I add some butter. So that's about 1.5 teaspoons of butter. So this is my cabbage, carrots, onions, some hot pepper, ginger, salt, pepper, paprika, oil, and butter. Just let that say. The only thing else I would have put in that if I had any was some green pepper and red pepper. I didn't have any, so still can work without it. So that's going to be it. And then the next thing is to work on my shrimp. Back in a bit. Okay, my good people. Since you're with me, let's take a look at our chicken wings. Our jerk chicken wings. See how Murphy's Sunday dinner is coming along? Yeah. Yeah. You smell the ginger inside of it. All the seasoning and everything nice. Alright. Put that back in. Rice and peas actually finished. I just leave it on very, very low. The cabbage is doing real good. So now I'm going to fix up the good old shrimp and I'll be back. Okay, time to get the shrimp basket ready. in a bit. Okay, my good people, the final round. Yep. Everything finished. And I'm just gonna add some sauce to my oven jerk chicken wings. So this sauce is barbecue sauce. Got a little soy sauce in there, and some Italian roasted garlic, roast tomato salad dressing. Yeah, roast tomato parmesan salad dressing. And that's what I use to make the sauce. And just add that in. Over that. Put it back in, let it base. And then we're done. See you on the final. Okay, my good people. Everything done. Murphy's Sunday dinner. All finished. So here's the centerpiece of my Sunday dinner. My jerk chicken wings, oven bake. Here I have my stir-fried shrimp over here. Rice and peas. Gungo, rice and peas. Got my steamed cabbage over here with carrots and broccoli and hot peppers. Here I have some white rice. My daughter is coming to pick up some Sunday dinner. And my son-in-law, he doesn't eat peas and he doesn't eat seafood. So I gotta make something different for him. So there you go, and that's it. Until next Sunday. Peace and love. Vendetta.